Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is H3K. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you a new feature that I created for you guys in our live RPG Notion template, which I call the goal currency. Like how solo leveling has its own goal currency in the system, we now have our own goal currency in live RPG. So how it works is that whenever you create a new player, you will start from zero. So you have zero gold coins, okay? But the more quests that you completed, the more gold that you will obtain. And the harder the quest that you completed, let's say the quest level difficulty level is absurd, you will get an absurd amount of gold to spend. Okay, so now what can you spend your gold on? So for each quest, you will have like rewards, right? So you can create your own reward and you can give your reward a rank. It could be a rank C, B, A, and S plus plus. Okay. So the higher the rank of a reward or the item, the more expensive the item will be, the more high cost the more gold that you need to actually purchase the reward. Okay, but I'm gonna just show you how it works practically inside the template. Okay, so I should have done that in the first place, right? Anyway, so as you can see here, this player that we have is Sung Jin Woo. Sung Jin Woo now has like 700 to 1,000 gold here. Okay, so Sung Jinwoo has completed a lot of quests. If you go to the logbook here, so failed a couple of quests and completed quite a lot. So he now has a total of 700,000 gold. Okay. Same thing with Cha Hae-in, his partner, has a total goal of 500,000 gold. Okay. Now, um, if I create a new player, it will have zero gold, like I said earlier, right? And you can obviously uh, complete more quests and more gold. All right. And I'm going to delete this player and I'm going to show you the reward section over here. So the karma section, okay? So this is where you have your reward and also penalties. So here I have ability, which which has the rank C, and the goal required for me to purchase this reward is 722. So whenever I create a new quest, let's create a new quest. And click on new, and I'm gonna pick a template. Let's say it's a hard quest, and then you can see um, the moment I created a new quest, it's gonna say the goal value over here is 12,000. Okay, so if I complete this quest, I will earn 12,000. But then I can also add a karma over here. When I add a karma, let's say the reward, I can select a reward that I want to link to this quest. So if I click on boba tea and watch one drama episode, you can see that the required goal for me to purchase this reward is 722 and 674 for the drama episode, and the total reward for uh, these two rewards is 1,396. Okay, so when I complete this quest, let's say I'm gonna link this quest to a player. So it's going to be Cha Hae-in. She loves bubble tea and watching dramas. And the class, I'm gonna give it to a globetrotter, okay? And then now, if I mark this quest as done, you can see that Jae-in now has 506,506 277 gold. So if I click on mark as done, you can see that you will see that the goal will uh, be deducted, okay? So if I click on done, by the way, that's not the case because I will also earn some gold from completing quest, right? So if I take this value 12,000 here and then minus 1,396, so what I should have is around 10,000, right? So if I click on here, so I'm expecting my goal to be 51,000, right? So click mark as done, and there you go. It's now 51,000. Okay, sorry, 517,000. Okay, 517,000. I'm not stupid at math. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So you can see that this is how this gold currency works inside Life RPG. So you earn gold and then you can spend your gold according to reward. But let's say that my reward is now going to be slightly larger. So let's say the I'm going to buy a game which the reward is rank A, and the goal required is around 39,000. If I click on it, and you can see that now the total reward coin is 40K, and then my In's goal is now radically reduced, like significantly reduced to 400,000, 470,000 plus, right? Okay. And I'm going to show you once again the karma section over here. So the gold cost only applies to reward. It doesn't apply to penalty. So you cannot spend anything on your penalty, okay? So you won't be deducted whenever you fail a quest, okay? With a penalty, all right? So it's only for reward, okay? Now, if I want to create a new reward, I just click on new over here, and then open in side pick, and then again, I create a rank. So let's say I want to go out with friends on a weekend, okay? So I'm going to give this comma rank A, rank S. You can see the goal cost for this particular reward is 161,000. If I select rank A, it's going to go down to 42,000. If I select rank B, it's going to go down to 6,000. And rank C is going to be 600. So it all depends on the level of your rank level, okay? So if I click on the topmost rank SS plus, SSS plus, it's going to require it requires 400,000 gold coins, okay? So it all depends on how much gold coins that you have in your disposal, and then how much that you can pay for your rewards. So that is the gold currency system in Life RPG. Pretty simple and practical, right? So yeah, I'm gonna show you in this tutorial again. For those of you who are using the previous version of Life RPG, follow along this tutorial so that you can upgrade your version to the latest one. And for those of you who have just bought this template today or after today, you should not worry about upgrading at all once you purchase, and you should have the latest version available to you. All right, now let's have a look at how we can update your Life RPG, okay? All right, now for those of you who are on the previous version of Life RPG, um, you should have like the latest feature that you have as the subclass feature, right? So let's upgrade your template to the latest one. All right, now first thing first, I want you to go to the karma section and then click on any reward page that you have. Click on it, and then I want you to click on add a property over here, and then create a property called karma. Oh, sorry. Type in select property. Okay, type select, and then name it to comma rank, and change the icon if you want to the star circle. So this is the icon that I chose for the comma rank. Okay, and then I'm gonna give the option over here, starting from C, and then D, and then E. Oh, sorry. It's gonna be C, and then B, then gonna go A, gonna go S, gonna go SSS plus. Okay, and then I'm going to create a new property. So this is going to be a formula property. So type in formula and then select this type formula property, and then give it a name called goal cost. Okay, I'm gonna change this icon to the gem icon over here. All right, so and then it's going to be an empty formula over here. So I want you to go over to the um, post that I have created in the Life RPG announcement board. Okay, so this is going to be it. calling the title is introducing gold currency. So you have look inside the page, and then I want you to click on copy over here on this gold cost property over here. Okay, so click on copy, make sure it's the right one, and then go back to your template page over here, and then enter the code in the uh, formula field over here, then click on done. Okay, just want to test how whether it works. Go to C, yep, B, yep. So it increases, the goal cost increases as it should be, right? All right. Now I want you to create another a new property. So this is going to be another formula property, and this is going to be called goal. Okay, just goal. And I won't add any icon to this property because this property is going to be hidden. All right. Now I'm gonna move this one here. Then I'm gonna property visibility over here, select over here, and then select always hide. All right. Now I want you to go back to the announcement page earlier, and then I want you to go to the karma section over here, and then you see this hidden goal property here in the caption. Now I'm going to copy this code block here. Then I'm going to go back and then open the hidden property and then paste the formula inside this field over here, okay? And then click on done. I'm gonna create another new property, a formula property again, and this is going to be called rank, okay? And the same thing, I want to go back to the announcement page and then copy this hidden rank property over here and then copy the code, not copy the caption, all right, guys? Copy the code here. Just click on copy and then go back to the page and then paste in the formula over here and then click on done, all right? And there you go. And also, um, click on the rank property over here, property visibility, always hide, right? So that cleans everything up over here. And then I want you to click on this three dots icon over here, click on it, and go to properties, and then select um, rank, and also goal over here, okay? So the reason why I created the other hidden properties earlier because it looks much nicer and cleaner on this card when compared to, let's say, if I use the like this two property over here, right? If I use this two property, it won't look as beautiful as I like it to be as a comma rank and also goal cost. So see how it looks. It doesn't look nice, at least to me, right? So I didn't want that, so I just created a new property just for the aesthetics of our live RPG template. Okay, so click the rank and also goal. So it looks much better, right? All right. So same thing with penalty. You can add a rank to it. Let's say this penalty rank is at A level, and you can see this on the card says the penalty rank A. Okay. Next, I want you to go to the quest page over here, and then select any quest that you have. So I'm gonna click on here. Okay. So this is the quest that I've completed. And then I want you to click on this hidden properties over here. So two more properties. It can be how many other properties that you have. Then click on add a property over here. Okay. And then I want you to type in formula. Okay. Then give the new property name goal value. Okay. And so you can change the icon to the gem icon earlier, same icon. Now I want you to move this goal value property above the karma section over here, below experience value, the XP value over here. And then I want you to go to the announcement page earlier, and then head over to the quest section over here, and there's goal value property. Copy the code inside the code block over here, and then go back and then click on the empty field on the goal value property over here, and then paste it. All right, and then click on done. Okay, now I want you to create another new property, and this is going to be a formula property again. So we'll be using a lot of formula properties over here. So this is going to name it as goal earned. All right, click on enter. And oh, I forgot. I click on the goal value property earlier, and then property visibility always show. Right. Okay, go back to the goal earn. Go to the announcement page earlier, and then go down and this total wait, hidden goal earn property. Okay, so click on copy and then go back, open this one, goal earn. So paste the goal earn formula inside the field, click on done, and then click on property visibility always hide. Okay, then create a new property again, formula, as you guessed it. Okay, and I want you to name this formula, this property as reward cost. Okay, and again, I didn't select any icon because these two properties are going to be hidden anyway. So go back to the announcement page, go to the hidden reward cost property over here, then click on copy and go back, and then click on the empty field on the reward cost property, paste the code, and then click on done, and then click on the reward cost property, property visibility, select always hide. All right. Now I want to create another property, a formula property again. Type in and change the name to total reward cost. Okay, and then click on the icon because this one is going to be invisible. So we want a beautiful icon to it. Okay, so I'm gonna select this currency coin icon over here. Click on it. And then I want to bring this total reward cost property way up here, just below the karma. And then I want to go back to the announcement page, scroll down to the quest section over here, and then you see this total reward cost property. So click on copy and go back and then paste in the code and then click on done. All right. So that is for this section. Okay. Oh, so this button property should be always shown. Okay. There you go. Now, just a few more things to go. Go back to the player section over here. Now, I want you to click on these three more properties over here, and then click add a property. Okay. So I want you to type in roll up, and then click on relation, click on quest, and then I click on property to select a property, and it is going to be the goal earned. So there you go. So click on goal earned, and then calculate. Oh no, just leave it at that. Okay, and then change the roll up name here to goal earned. Okay, then I want you to create another property, the same thing, roll up, and then select the relation quest, and then property reward cost. Okay, so click on reward cost, then rename this rollout to reward cost. Okay, and then I want you to click on the property visibility, always hide. Same thing for reward cost, always hide. Click on the field over here. Okay, and then when it says calculate here, click on it. It should be show original, and then go to statistics and click on sum. All right, and I want you to do the same thing with reward cost. Calculate, click on statistics, and then click on sum. All right, and then I want you to create a new property. This time it's going to be formula, and then rename the formula to goal. Okay, and then change the icon to the gem icon over here. And then I want you to bring the goal formula up here. Okay. And then I want you to go back to the announcement page over here. And then head over to the player section over here. And it says goal property. So copy this formula. And then go back to the page earlier and then paste the formula inside this empty field over here. Okay. And then I want you to click on done. Okay. So and one more thing, I want you to click on the three dots over here and then properties and then select uh, goal. Okay. Then you can bring this one up here and there you go. A couple more things if you wanna if you wanna show the karma over here and also the if you click on the quest, you want to show your goal value over here and also your goal value in the karma section over here and also the rank. You can go back to your template earlier and then head over to the quest section, okay? And then click on the three dots over here, then click on properties, and then click on karma, okay? Click on karma, and then you can also click on other properties that you want, whichever, doesn't matter. So yeah, I can just play around with the properties over here and see which one that you like the most, okay? And then click on the quest again, quest page, and then on the player section over here, click on the plus icon over here, and then there's a three dots to say customize your properties, and then you can select the goal value over here, okay? And it will show you the amount of gold that you have, okay? And then for the same thing with the karma, click on the plus property, then click on the three dots over here, and then show the rank and also goal, okay? And there you go. Now you have the rank and also the goal value, okay? So that is how you create all the properties inside the quest page, all right? Okay, so that was pretty long, but I think it is pretty straightforward too. So that is it for you to upgrade your Life RPG to the latest version, which has the gold currency. So I hope this tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment or just comment inside the announcement page earlier. Okay, guys? So I hope you love this new feature, and I won't be adding new features for the time being. I'm gonna focus more on the community, okay? Otherwise, if we add too many features, it's going to be the system is going to be bloated and it won't be that straightforward and simple anymore. So we don't want to go that way, right? So for those of you who haven't tried Life RPG, I hope you do because this is a project that I really love to create. So I hope you will experience it too. Thanks so much again for watching and for your support. I really appreciate it. Take care, like and subscribe if you haven't, and take care. Bye bye. Peace.